The next we will be seeing is the importance of sociology. Though sociology is the youngest science among all the social sciences, it uses as universal. Sociology studies human society scientifically. How? We will see that. Sociology constructs a systematic body of knowledge of human society with its scientific study. Okay, by doing the scientific study, we can know what the knowledge, we can gain the knowledge of the human society. This aids progress in other fields of human life. That is, aids means it helps the progress what's all going on the human life. Supplements the personality development, so it gives the personality development of the human being is mainly a social being who is often expected to get adjusted to the changing nature of society. So how the society changes, as per that the human being has to be changed. By creating holistic understanding of social structure, growth and changes and individual responsibilities, sociology facilitates holistic personality development. Holistic means the whole, okay, not a part. Whole, it changes the whole part of whole thing of the personality development in the human being. Understanding social processes. Sociology aids the proper understanding of social processes by studying the religion, traditions, culture, social rules and regulations, values and the ideals of other various societies. So as we saw earlier that it deals with the social processes by studying the religion which we follow, the traditions, the culture and the social rules which the human being followed in this society. Sociology is helpful in understanding the interrelationship of various social institutions. Okay, so it overall it is full of the social thing which we will be followed in our society. Aids in understanding social problems and their solutions. Okay, so it helps in solving the social problems which we are finding in our society. So here they have given some of the society the problems which we are facing in the society, like crime, juvenile crime is nothing but the children who are under 18. Okay, communal clashes, alcoholism, hunger, malnutrition, caste based discrimination, unemployment, gambling, prostitution, child labor, inequality, and various other problems. So, these are some problems which we are facing in our society. A scientific study of these problems provide better insights which aids in scientific solution. So if we study about these problems, we can get a definite solution for these problems. Sociology supports the effective implementation of development programs. By studying human society scientifically, sociology aids the effective implementation of development programs. So, what they are saying, if we study about how the human society deals in this society, we can we can help the in an effective way of developing the programs in the society. Okay, next we will see about the interrelationship between sociology and other social sciences. Okay, so study sociology is the youngest among all the social sciences, as we gone through this line earlier. It has its own field of study and has an interrelationship between the other social sciences. So now each and every science they have been compared. Relationship between sociology and political science. So there is a close relationship between a sociology and a political science. As political science is nothing but, as earlier I said, it deals with the state and system of government, right? So it has a it relates with the political institutions, political life of human beings and political institutions of human society. The same as the sociology, it also deals with the social institutions, like social groups, social institutions that function within the political structure. Okay, so they both were interrelated. Okay, relationship between sociology and history. Sociology and history are interrelated. Here also they were interrelated. How? History is the recreation of the life of the past society. Yes, you know all that, right? History we deals about the study of the persons or the people who were in the past society. Sociology is the recreation of contemporary society, that means modern society. Sociology supports historians by providing scientific knowledge of various social institutions and their roles and functions. Relationship between sociology and anthropology. Anthropology, as I earlier said, that it is a study of human societies, their cultures and their development. Okay, so how they are interrelated, we can see now. They are widely recognized. The culture and social path of human beings and its history is studied by anthropology, as I already said that. Sociology grows independently by studying the social life holistically. Wholly, it studies the social life of the human being. It provides objective analysis of the various social institutions. So, it describes how the sociology deals with relationship between sociology and psychology. Sociology and psychology are complementary to each other, that means interrelated, okay, complementing to each other. Psychology studies the behavioral activities or aspects of human beings from psychological perspectives. So as I already said that psychology is the science which has deals with the human mind and its function. So sociology seeks to study the social behavior, that is how the people in the society behave, social interactions, how they interact with each other, and the functions of the social institutions. Relationship between sociology and economics. Economics studies the economical activities of human beings. So already as I said that economics deals with the branch of knowledge which deals with production, consumption and the transfer of wealth. Okay, so these all comes under economics. Sociology seeks to understand the interaction between economical and social activities of human beings. So this is relate how it has been related, they have given over here. It also probes how human behavior forms the economic activities. That is, it also examine how the human behavior, right? So how they behave in the society forms the economic activities. Okay, how there will be the production, consumption and the transfer of wealth according to the society. In nutshell, while analyzing the social behavior, sociology interacts with other social sciences in its own way. Nutshell means nothing but very briefly we can say that. Okay, so it's like a phrase we can frame that. So in a very brief manner, we can analyze and say that sociology interacts with other social sciences in its own way. So this part is not there for your portion as it has been reduced by the Karnataka Society textbook government. So this part earlier sociologist is not there. Okay. So after this we have a prominent Indian sociologist. So there are few rather than saying few, there are some names who were most feminine in the Indian social as an Indian sociologist. The one among them is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay.